Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to the vlog. It is about noon and I decided I need to get my life together. I just really want to get back on track with you guys, have a nice like healthy day. Like everything is just so disorganized and I feel like when you're trying to reach your goals and everything is just like all over the place, it just makes it like a lot harder. I just really wanted to share these sweatpants I just got. Let me go somewhere else and show you guys these pants, because I am actually obsessed with them. I don't have a mirror, so we're gonna have to do this the hard way. Welcome to my living room. I don't think I've really ever vlogged in here much. I got these Nike sweatpants. I'll try to link them down below if you guys are interested. I can't explain, like, these are like my dream sweatpants. I've been searching for hot pink sweats, so I'm like so excited. They make me feel super good. These are a size large, and I almost ordered an extra large because I didn't know like what size I would be, and they fit me like perfectly. And I just like, it's just kind of like a little milestone for me because I'm definitely losing weight and making progress, and like now I'm buying like a smaller size, and I just like, it just feels nice, you know, like seeing that you've actually made progress. I haven't done like a little like vlog in a bit. Since my last like fitness vlog video, like my weight loss journey vlog, my figure has changed a lot because of my job. At my job, I walk, I'm not even kidding, like 20,000 steps a shift, and that adds up to like 30 to 40 miles of walking. Like that's like crazy. I just weighed in at 248. That's actually like really exciting for me. I'm out of like the 50s and back in the 40s, and if you've lost weight before, like you know what it's like to like pass like each like 10-pound mark. It's just like really exciting. And my weigh-in in March was like 268. I have lost like 20 pounds. Progress is being made on the scale and in like my clothing size and like how my clothes fit. So I've been feeling pretty confident recently. I've started to have like people in my life tell me that they noticed, you know, a difference in my weight. I remember when I started getting comments before, like when I lost weight the first time, and it's like almost like, it's kind of weird in a way, but it's nice. Like it's affirming, but I think it's important to not like look out those comments too much and not, you know, rely on other people's opinion and view of you and, you know, what you're doing for yourself. I think it's really important to try to have that balance. I really want to get the day started. I kind of have been talking a lot. I'm actually so freaking excited about this. So I have this very exciting parcel. I'm like so excited about this. I am now working with I Am Motivate, or just Motivate. They are a supplement company. I've actually like checked out their page and their products like a few times before. So it was like super exciting when they reached out to me. Like I am so excited, and honestly like the people that I've talked to there are just so nice and like so real and so kind. Let me just get started. So first, this is so freaking nice. They sent me a shaker bottle and it's like so nice. Like this is like heavy duty. Oh my god, it's stainless steel. Okay, well this is awesome. I'm so excited. I got their burn, and this is like a fat burner that you'll take like before your workouts. I'll go more in depth in the products individually when I use them. I got the flavor Island Punch. I got their greens, which I'm so excited about. With working on really long shifts, I usually can't get like a bunch of nutrients in, so I feel like it's really, really good to have a supplement like this when you know like kind of lacking stuff. It's in the flavor of tangerine. I'm gonna try this soon. Actually, I'm gonna make some food in a second. And then I got the amino, and this is like a recovery that you'll have like after your workout. My neighbor just watched me. That's okay, okay. But yeah, very, very excited about these. I will go more in depth with those later. So they sent me the different flavors of the burn. I got the tangerine. So there's like 4 other flavors. There's Island Punch, watermelon, berry lemonade. That sounds really good. And mixed berries. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you haven't already, follow my fitness Instagram. It's Getfitwithbryn. I'm gonna go make some lunch and try the greens powder. Welcome to my kitchen. Let me just get some water. I'm gonna try the greens. I'm gonna get some groceries as well. Okay, this is really hard to open. I have a little shaker ball. Okay, so I have probably like, I don't know, 12 ounces in here. I'm gonna use 1 little scoop. Yeah, it's tangerine. And I've never taken like a greens supplement consistently. So I'm really excited to see what it does, because I've honestly seen great things, you know, about like it reducing bloating. I definitely have bloating quite often. Okay, but let's put this in here. Woo! Okay, let's try it. Wow. That's actually so good. It tastes like a creamsicle. This is like really good. So good. I give it a 9 out of 10, honestly. Wow, that is so tasty. Like, I'll look forward to drinking that every day. So while I drink this, I really need to eat some food. I need groceries, but I know I have like something I can eat. Okay, I have these grilled chicken breast dices. I'm gonna have this like with like a salad, I think. I think that sounds super good. I haven't used this yet, so I think I just heat it up like in a pan. Chicken is sauteed, and let's put together the salad now. I was like obsessed with this Asian chicken salad at work, so I got like most of the stuff to make one. So I think that's what I'm gonna go for today. Okay, if you guys have TikTok, you probably have seen like that Glossier brown balm go viral, and I bought it because that got me. I watched it like so many times and I was like, you know what, I have to do it. And my lips are like super chapped right now, so I thought I would try it with you guys because I didn't want to try it like without makeup on, because it's like brown and I didn't think I would like it if I didn't have makeup on. I'm not gonna do too much. It is brown. It literally smells like frosting. Okay. Oh my god, this looks so weird. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. I think that's so pretty. And it smells so good. That's so nice, and it feels like very, very hydrating. Okay, I gotta stir this chicken. So I just have some baby spinach on the plate. I am very proud of myself. I pretty much finished this. Go me. I have some cucumbers, green onion, and carrots all chopped up. Chicken is looking good. It's almost ready. I have these chow mein noodles, and this is what the salad had at my work, so I added some of those on top. And I have this Asian sesame dressing from Panera, so I hope this is good. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking good. I'm so excited to eat it. I'm really hungry. I just ate and now I'm super full. I'm still drinking the greens and it's still so good. And this is great for your digestive system. It has like a bunch of antioxidants in it, so like right now I'm actually like getting over a cold. I'm happy to have this because this can like, you know, help boost my immune system a little bit, help me get better, get over this cold a little bit quicker, hopefully. I have some clothes on my bed. I have the box from my supplements. I have just like some random things on my floor that I need to just like kind of clean up. I don't have a car, so, you know, going to the gym and going to the grocery store and just like doing normal things is pretty hard. I actually sold my car when I moved down here to Nevada, and it's been pretty hard to buy a car. Anyway, don't have a car, so I usually get my groceries delivered, and I've used Instacart for months now, like months and months and months, and honestly, it's great. This is not sponsored. I'm just about to order groceries and they should be here in like an hour and a half. Some of the pros about like ordering online is it's really easy to like budget and, you know, like know exactly how much you're spending before you spend it. So that's nice, because I know like when I go to the grocery store, usually I'm like, oh, like I didn't know all of that stuff altogether was gonna be that much. It's nice to like be aware of what you're spending like before you even hit order. I'm spending about $80. It's just like a restock of like my basics plus like a couple extra things like some ice cream. I usually spend between like 70 and 100 like every week and a half, but I'm trying to spend less and then also just like spend less outside of that, so like not like spend money eating out, because it adds up. Like food is so expensive, it's crazy. Place, scene, order. Let's get the frick up. Okay, let's do a grocery haul. Alrighty, grocery haul. We have some spinach. We have some shredded lettuce. These are literally so freaking good. I'm obsessed with them. They're the Oatly chocolate fudge ice cream bars, and they're dipped in chocolate fudge. They're literally so good. I got dots. These are literally such a good snack. I think they're so tasty. They're like sweet and salty and crunchy, so a great little snack. I got some salami, turkey breast, just some like lunch meat, make like little sandwiches for when I'm at work. Ground turkey, a white onion, I got a yellow onion, 2 avocados, Simple Truth, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. These are sandwich thins and I like really like them. 2 packs of this like lower sodium taco seasoning mix. I also got 30 eggs. Fun fact, you used to be able to get 5 dozen eggs for the same price of the 2.5 dozen. That's cool. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna put this stuff away and then let's go to the gym. Okay guys, I have my apartment gym to myself. I'm gonna take the Burn from Motivate now and I'm just gonna put it in this shaker bottle and just like slowly drink it while I stretch. Oh, this flavor is Tropical Punch. Very excited about it. I think I like the tangerine one a little bit more, but it's still good. It is like pretty sweet, but that's how Tropical Punch is. There's a little progress video. I'm gonna make some protein pasta. So I just have ground turkey, Barilla protein penne, and then I have this Sprouts garlic pasta sauce. Okay, so the turkey is done. I just put it on like super low so it doesn't get dry while I wait for the water to finish boiling. Already in here is the pasta all together. It is so good. I'm just gonna portion it out and then have some dinner because I'm really hungry. It is ice cream time. I'm not kidding when I say this is like the best ice cream bar I've ever had in my entire life. Oh, it's kind of cracked. It's okay. Some chocolate fell off. It's so good. I just feel so much better after today, like, you know, cleaning my space and meal prepping and like getting a workout in finally after like 4 days. I was so excited to try out the Motivate products today. So if you guys are wanting to give those a shot or check them out, I have a discount code for 20% off. It's just Getfitwithbryn. Hope you guys enjoyed this like reset day, you know, getting back on track video. I definitely was feeling like kind of like scattered and disorganized, so I feel so much better now. Thank you guys so much for following me, liking this video, subscribing, giving me a comment. Thank you for all the support that you guys always give me. I will see you guys so soon in the next video. And once again, check out the I Am Motivate products if you're interested in some new gym supplements. Bye guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys so soon. Bye!